everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created on my nails this week. It kind of looks like slime that I've encapsulated, but it's not real slime. So this is the new product that I used from Miss You Beauty. It's Cover Pink, it's clear pink, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And then I used this colour as well. It's called American Notes and it's been designed by Tony. So it's a lovely olive green. It's really pretty. I love it. And then this is the glitter that I used. I really can't remember where I got this glitter from, as is with all my glitters that I use these days. So I do apologise. So this is the design and I will show you how I created it. So to start off with, I used a nail form. Also, these nail forms are from Miss You Beauty. And I just applied this to my nail, or placed it underneath my nail and secured it in position. I have already pushed back my cuticles and applied primer to my nails. So I go in with the clear pink. I'm using Miss You Beauty's size 8 brush as per usual. And I just extend my nail out with this pink here. It's really nice. It's not completely clear, but it's just got a little hint of a colour to it, so it's really quite a pretty colour and it's just perfect for the design that I was going for. So I just extend the nail out with this colour and then I go in with my pink glitter, which I've mixed already with some clear powder, and I apply that from the cuticle going down the nail, so create an ombre effect. The shape that I've gone for this week is ballerina / coffin style nails. As I said before, I'm really into this shape at the moment. I really like it. So then I go in and encapsulate that nail with clear acrylic, liquid and powder. Now on my middle nail, I actually forgot to film it, so I really do apologise for that. But I went and did my thumb in exactly the same design, so you do see it later on in the video. So I really do apologise for that, guys. A bit clumsy at times. So on my ring finger I went in with the green, just placed this down on my nail. I should have popped down a layer of clear acrylic, liquid and powder. I honestly forgot, and yeah, so that was a bit clumsy as well. But I went in with the green and just extended out the nail, and then with the pink glitter I started at the tip of the nail and I faded that up towards the middle again in an ombre fashion. So with my little nail, I did similar to what I did on my forefinger, but I did it in the reverse fashion. So I start out with a clear pink and I just extend the nail out, and then I go in with the glitter from the tip of the nail and fade it up to the middle of the nail, and then I encapsulated that in clear acrylic liquid and powder. So with my thumb, what I've done is I've dipped my brush in my liquid, and then I dipped the brush in the green powder, and then I dipped it straight into the glitter that is mixed with clear powder as well, so that I can do like a bit of a marbling effect almost, but it's not quite. It was sort of like a little bit in the shape of slime. I quite liked the idea of it. And then I went in with the glitter and just placed down similar kind of swirls on the nail, but just with the pink glitter itself. And then I went in and encapsulated that, so it kind of looked like it was slime encapsulated, which I thought was quite cool. So yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Let me know what you think to it, guys. So then to finish off, I applied some top coat, some gel top coat to the nail, and before curing it I applied some tiny little rhinestones around the cuticle area, and then I cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then to secure those rhinestones in place, I went in with another layer of non-wipe UV gel top coat, and then I cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I do show you me doing this on a couple of nails, but not all of them, just because otherwise my video would be extremely long and you would be extremely bored. So yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed my video this week, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up as always, and let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. I'd love to hear what you think to this design, and if you've got any ideas or suggestions that you'd like me to give a go, then fab, leave that for me as well. I will leave you all links to all the products that I used in this video in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out, along with any discount codes to be applied as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.